Ndumiriri-ini rierutitwo ni muikarĩri wa Komiconi ya ithurano bũrũri-inĩ Wafula Chebukati yugite muthi wa githurano ni utindikitwo kuma tariki 17 nginyagia tariki 26 mweri-ini wa ikumi. Komiconi ino yoete ikinya riu niguo ithurime itua ria igoti riria riramorotereirie ati kuri na mahitia monekire namo.
Tume imeweza kusoma ule uamuzi wa mahakama ya juu na tumeweza kuamua kwamba kwa sababu ya kazi ama mabadiliko yanayotakiwa kufanyika kwa upande wa mipango ya uchaguzi, imetubidi tuweze kuangalia tarehe ya uchaguzi tena.
Makiria mao Komiconi ino niiranire kugacirithia mitambo yayo mbere ya githurano giki.
If you look at what the court said in terms of the importance of technology in elections, it means that we need to do much more than what we did in the last election. And those are the discussions that are going.
Uhoro ucio ukite riri thirikari ihete ya IEBC ciringi bilioni 10 cia gutabania githurano kiu gia gucokerwo.
Cabinet this morning approved a supplementary budget that shall be forwarded to the National Assembly on Tuesday of next week, in which we set aside resources for the conduct of this fresh election.
President niaranire ati githurano giki gitikuhutia mubango wa igananio cia KCP na KCSE iria igakorwo igithie na mbere kuma muthia-ini wa mweri wa ikumi.
To our 1.6 million children who have worked hard in preparation for their upcoming final examinations, I wish to take this opportunity to assure you that arrangements are in place to ensure that your exams are not disrupted by this turn of events.
Igoti ni rimenereirie IEBC ni undu wa kwaga gutabania githurano kiri na waraganu na rikoiga mahiteta macio mangicokerwo na mundu atware cira igoti-ini no rigateaniria moimirira maya ringi. Handu-ini ha Uhoro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.